Hello people, welcome to my channel. Not done very much on my channel lately due to the fact that I can't pass my test. I can't understand why Can't understand why. Did a test last week and all went well, but the examiner gave me 3 minors. Now, 3 minors classed as a major, so it's a fail. But the minors, I only recollect 1. So he didn't give me any more clarification on what I'm supposed to have done. But if you appeal of the exam, the results still stand, but the next time you have a test you get 2 examiners. Personally, I think that's more stress. So I've rang up the group who I'm training with, which is Hughes Driver Training. It's nothing to do with what they're teaching. The instructors are bang on and superb. The only slight negative I have, and it's only slight, they give you 2 hours for your next test, including your test. But I didn't know the test area. And they couldn't allocate me any extra time just to get used to different vehicle. A truck's a truck, like they say. And after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I got used to it. So I drove to the test centre. So I got used to it. But it was still 3.5 weeks where I haven't driven. So it would be nice if they said, right, you're gonna have 2 hours 2 days before your test, or a day before your test, and then your test. That would be a perfect situation in my eyes. But however, so I've rang them up and asked them to get back in touch with me to see if I can do another test. And this time, I'm praying and hoping, I pass. In the meantime, I've signed up to do 7.5 ton driving for an agency which I've been recommended. I won't mention the agency name yet. Pure and simply until I get my first run. But that is an agency. Now, agencies are different than what I'm used to. This one pays your salary, pays your insurance, pays your tax, and if you work there long enough, it pays your pension. So in my eyes, it's like a company. The only difference is, if you haven't got any work for driving, you don't work, obviously. You get paid weekly. So when it's weather like today, if there ain't any work on, you're just having fun, maybe. It's not good in money wise, but it's great for catching your suntan. So like I said, this is just a quick message. The next video you'll see will be at the journey to Truckfest, Lincoln. Me and my very close friend Bushy on tour, John, we're going to Truckfest. Looking forward to it. He's looking forward to all the camper stuff, you know, all the accessories, because 12 volts, 12 volt. And I'm looking forward to see a few of the people I follow, i.e. Trucker Tim and any of the others I follow. I know Jono's not going, it's a shame, because, you know, but anybody else. Plus, to see all the show trucks and the show displays and stuff like that. So you'll see a video on the journey there, and you'll see videos on the Lincoln Truckfest. So that's the next couple of videos. So I'm hoping to see you there. If you recognise me, please let me know. I look forward to seeing people. I doubt you'll see any of you followers will be there, but who knows? You know, I could be lucky. I'll keep you informed of my escapades with my C+E test. I will be doing videos on the route journeys on the 7.5 ton stuff. I had to go out shopping today, so I've got some, so I'll be doing some reviews on some of my gear. I've bought some safety boots, bits and pieces like that. So like I said, there will be reviews and all the stuff, and please like, subscribe, give me thumbs up or even thumbs down, whichever you fancy doing. But it helps me with the Amazon YouTube internals, and you'll find links on the description for my Amazon affiliated links. I do make very small amounts of money on that. I'm talking pennies. It doesn't affect your costs, but it helps me with the cost of the channels. You know, I'm still using a crappy copy of a GoPro. I'm still using my iPhone. I'm still going for my test, so there's a lot of money going through at the moment, and I've not got a great deal. So you can either buy me a coffee or pretend it's a coffee and just put some money in and buy me a pint. Or a burger, because it's going to be very expensive at Truckfest. As I've been out of work, I've been doing a bit of gardening as well. Bit of drone flying, a bit of gardening. I retuffed some of the garden, which thankfully has grown. So it's better than me growing weeds like normal. What else? Yeah, like I said, I'll do another quick video on the agency later on with all the details and everything. I'll put it on a proper display. So please like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you at Lincoln Truckfest. Are you there? If not, if you see me around abouts on the road or in the vehicles, give me a wave or give me a acknowledgement, and that'd be nice to have a chat if I'm not run off my feet. And that's it for now. Next time you see me, pardon me, it'll be with Bushy on tour in his camper van all the way to Truckfest. Okay, thank you very much. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.